Now we're at Tat Nuang Waterfalls, not too far away from the first one.
Little basket.
This bridge takes you to the other side of the waterfall, so you can walk down to the top of the waterfalls. It doesn't look like a whole lot of water going down, but this is probably as far as we want to go.
A lot of water. That was kind of the top of the waterfall.
At Paksong, they have a lot of waterfall.
Very steep. Look at that. So nice, huh? Wow, so cool. You gotta come here.
Come here and check it out.